In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Fibonacci time extensions in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and enter your chart workspace where your trading layout is already set up. Once your chart is visible, move your attention to the top center area of the screen where the main chart tools are displayed. In this section, look for the Fibonacci retracement icon, and right next to it find the advanced drop-down icon that contains additional tool options within the Fibonacci tool group. Click on this drop-down icon to open the full list of available tools. From the menu, select Fibonacci Time Extensions to activate the tool. Once selected, move your cursor to the chart area and choose the exact point where you want to apply the time extension. Click on that specific location to set the anchor point and activate the tool on your chart. After you click on the chart, the Fibonacci Time Extensions tool will appear directly over the selected area, showing the extension markers based on the point you chose. You will now see the time extension levels displayed clearly on your chart, aligned with your selected position. Take a moment to confirm that the placement matches the section of price action you intended to analyze. From here, look for the Settings option associated with the Fibonacci tool and click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the available controls for adjusting how the Fibonacci time extensions are displayed. Go through the options and make any adjustments needed to match your preferred chart configuration and visual style. As you make changes, the updates will automatically reflect on your chart in real time, so you can immediately preview how the tool behaves. Once you are satisfied with the setup, exit the Settings panel to return to the main chart view. The Fibonacci Time Extensions tool will remain active on your chart as you continue working within Robinhood Legend, allowing you to reference it while analyzing price movements. That is how you add Fibonacci Time Extensions in Robinhood Legend, place it on your chart, and customize it using the Settings menu.